What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to show you 4 very useful features for your Galaxy smartphones. So let's start. First feature that I want to show you are shortcuts for individual settings section. Did you know that you can make a shortcut for any section in settings? Let's say you want to go to accessibility section that is hidden deep in settings menu. You can easily make a shortcut and jump directly in that particular section straight from your home screen. You can make shortcuts to any section that you want. I made 2 shortcuts. First is about taking me straight to accessibility section in settings, and the second shortcut takes me straight to battery section. I check these 2 sections very often during the day, but of course you can make your own shortcuts and customize them as you wish. I think it's a very useful feature that helps you save some time during the day while using your phone. All you need to do is to download Good Lock application from Galaxy Store and then launch Register. Inside Register, open search option and then enable allow creation of a shortcut. That's all. From now on, you can make your own shortcuts and don't need to find a particular section in settings. Next feature that I want to show you is about how to remap your power button. Normally, long press power button enables Bixby Assistant. In settings, in advanced features section, you can remap power button action, but it won't let you enable, for example, Google Assistant. That is more useful than Bixby in my opinion. But what if I tell you that there is a way that lets you enable Google Assistant by long pressing on power button like I did? In order to do this, you will once again need to go to Good Lock and Register module. In Register module, click on Side key, press and hold action. Next, enable that feature, and from the list you can choose what your phone should do after long pressing on power button. You can launch any app from the list. You can bring all your recent apps menu. You can bring notification panel. You can mute or unmute all volumes. You can finally launch Google Assistant. Brilliant feature that I personally use every day. Did you know that on Galaxy phones it's also possible to launch any application or particular action by tapping twice or 3 times on the back of your phone like on iPhones? These taps can be set in Register module as well. So open Good Lock application and turn on Register module once again. All you need to do is to turn on Backtab action and set what your phone should do after double or triple tap on the back of your Galaxy smartphone. How cool is that, don't you think? You can choose any action that your phone should do after long press of power button. Just simply choose the action that you are interested the most. The last feature that I want to mention in today's video is about battery. So first, find Samsung Members app on your app list or download it from Galaxy Store. Then go to support section, tap on phone diagnostics and find section about battery. After tapping on battery section, you can check your battery status. If it says that your battery status is normal, then your battery is in good condition. If it says bad, then you should probably think about changing your battery. That's all for today. Hope you find this video helpful and see you in the next one. Peace.